And all this time, them using the system against the system. Do you know who suffers the most? The ordinary man. The lady who struggled to raise her son and then struggled to bury him. You know who benefits? The politicians.
Sir, that situation is not unique to us. It happened right around the world. But we still have to fight it.
Exactly. That is why I arranged to have it all over the world.
So, sir, you have jurisdiction right around the world?
Better than that, I have influence. When this little experiment, if you want to call it that, started, I was assigned to be the head of operations and logistics. I represented us at the United Nations. I was then told that I should write the paper for it. So I did. So the entire concept is mine. I don't give orders down in Saudi Arabia over in the base of Africa, but I give advice. Same way I seek advice from them. Politicians have been getting away with murder, literally, and they need to be brought to book. You may not believe it, but I'm seen as the voice of reason. And where I can't reason, I treat people like them guilty of treason.
Pops, we cannot continue to operate like this. Because now, you're not doing anything with reason.
Really? Why? I'm not being reasonable. I am not being reasonable because I refuse to allow a politician whose motives are as clear as glass to destroy what we have built so he can replace it with his own self-serving organization and get fatter.
Sir, sure say this thing with the politician is not personal, based on the fact that you think say him take out the two sniper them.
I am way past losing two snipers. I've lost far more than that. But let me explain to you what is happening. You've been so busy worrying about what I am doing, I'm going to stop reading newspaper. Let's go. 5 TikTokers no longer able to log on because somebody logged them out. We have a journalist in her 70s in retirement. Years of dedication to the country. No longer with us under very dubious circumstances. We're having mass shootings all over the country. Gangs we have no control over. It has suddenly become a competition. 22 weapons are found at Sangsters. So 52 are found at the wharf. And while we're doing that, let's not forget about our health situation. I mean, like, it's now commonplace for 14-year-olds to deliver babies. So we've just upped the ante.
Sir, here we are, sir, and we understand. But we can't become criminals for fight crime.
That's not what I'm suggesting, son. Look at it. Hundreds lose their lives every week. Nobody does anything about it. Make a politician step on a nail. Within a day, they know who owned the board and who hammered the nail. So we know what to do if we want to do it. The fear that they have is that we can bring them to justice. So it suits them that we are not around. Or the agency is transformed into something they can control. And as long as I'm in charge, they will be brought to justice. Oh, I forget. I'm no longer in charge. But my biggest fear has apparently been realized. The minister says he's going to expose everyone. bring us to justice and ask us to testify. Well, I'm telling you this, and listen to me carefully. I will never testify. I will not be in a position to testify.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Have you read your contract recently?
That browsed through it, but not really.
I'm going to suggest that you do that right to the end. What they can't control, they simply try to destroy. Remember that.
My son come with me.